1 week since you looked at me, cocked your head to the side and said I'm angry. 5 days since you laughed at me, saying get back together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room, I realize it's all my fault, but a moment too soon. Yesterday you just smiled at me. It'll still be 2 days till I say I'm sorry. Now what's a hoodwink? Let's make you stop think. You think you're looking at Uncle Man. I summon fish to the dish, although I like the challenge fish, I like the sushi, cause it never touched the frying pan. Hot like wasabi when I buzz rhymes, big lolly and rhymes, because I'm all about value. Bert Camper's got the mad hits. You try to match wits, you try to hold me but I bust through. Gonna make a break and take a pick, I like a stinking naked chick, I like vanilla. It's the finest of the flavors. Gonna see the suckers and you know the vertigo is gonna go, cause it's so dangerous, I'll have to sign a waiver. Can I help it if I think you're funny when you're mad? Trying hard not to smile though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy last at a funeral, can't understand what I mean with you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of taking off my shirt and my things falling down. This is what happens when you do a big song. It's been 1 week since you looked at me, threw the arms in the air and said you're crazy. 5 days since you tackled me, I still got the rug burns on both my knees. It's been 3 days in the afternoon, I realized it's not my fault, not a moment too soon. Yesterday you'd forgiven me, but now I sit back and wait till you say you're sorry. China, the Chinese chicken, chicken to China, the Chinese chicken, chicken to China, chicken to China, chicken to China, the Chinese chicken. You have a drumstick and your brain stops ticking. Watching X-Files when the lights on, I don't know is on. I hope the Smoky Man's in this one, like Harrison Ford, not singing tantric, like singing tantric, like sick is guaranteed to satisfy. Like Gregorys, how I make mad films. Okay, I don't make films, but if I did, they'd have a samurai. Can I get a set of better clubs? Can I find the comments I need? I'm so blind, I was saying almost flying all the backswing. Can I get a tune with Sailor Moon? Cause that cartoonist got the boom and the babies and make me think the wrong thing. Can I help it if I think you're funny when you're mad? Trying hard not to smile though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy last at a funeral, can't understand what I mean, well you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of losing my shirt. It's been 1 week since you looked at me, touched your arms to the other side and said I'm sorry. 5 days since I laughed at you and said you just did just what I thought you were gonna do. 3 days since the living room, we realized we're both to blame, but what could we do? Yesterday you just smiled at me and said it'll still be 2 days till we say we're sorry. It'll be 2 days till we say we're sorry. Birchmount Stadium, home of the Robbie. 1 week by Bare Naked Ladies. Thank you.